Hi guys, welcome back to the course. So in the last section we created the front end of our project. So from this video we will start working on the registration form. So enable for the user to register, we have to create the users table in the registration database. So localhost and phpMyAdmin. Let's select the registration database and add a users table. The table will have 6 columns. Click go button. Now let's add, the first one will be the ID. Definitely it will be 11 characters maximum, and it will be primary key and auto increment as well. So whenever a user is entered into the database, the value of the ID will be automatically incremented. So the next one will be name, and it will be varchar, and let's give it 100 characters. The next one will be email, and it will also be varchar. Let's give it 200 characters. The next one will be password, varchar as well, 255 characters. This one will be token. Actually we will use this token to activate the user's account, and this will be varchar as well, and 255 characters. And the last one will be status. Status will be actually the status of the user's account. So if the status is 1, that means the user's account is active, but the default value will be 0. That means the account will not be active. So user will have to activate the account using the email address. So we will do this later on in the registration section. So let's go ahead and do some minor changes in the registration form. First of all, we have to add a heading for the registration form. So we will go inside the form and add a h2 tag. Register here. Let's separate the registration form with registration form's body and the title using the HR. You can see the heading and the line separating the body and the title of the form. So let's click the register button. As you can see that we are able to submit the form without even entering the form values. So if we want to make all of these fields required, so we will have to do one simple change. We will have to add the required attribute to all of these form fields. So as you can see, I am adding the required attribute to all the input tags in the form. So save it, refresh, and now if I try to submit the form, it's asking me please fill out this field. So let's add some value. Let's add an email, which is actually not an email, and try to submit it. It is saying please include an @ symbol in the email address. So now if we try, it is saying that the email address is incomplete. Now if we click the register, it is saying please fill out this field. So now you can see that the required attribute is doing a lot of validation work for us. So I think that's it for this video. So guys, see you in the next video, and probably in the next video we will be working on doing some more validation. So stay tuned.